birds have their own firepower. The whole squadron is scrambled. The hunter gets his comeuppance, but on birds of prey the droppings can be fatal, destroying the waterproofing of their plumage. The fulmars' defense tactics are even more repulsive. Its frontline defense is a moated fortress that keeps land predators from the breeding colony. The young are left for hours on these sea stacks as their parents make long fishing trips far offshore. Wise climbers avoid nesting cliffs. They know that chicks left home alone have a secret weapon. But what happens if a climber takes the wrong route? Chicks brew up an oily concoction in their stomachs from the fish they eat. They save this vile soup for the times they're left alone. The chick's usual threat is predatory birds, but anything within spitting distance becomes a target. It fires a warning shot, followed by a blast. The vomit is made from fish oils separated in the stomach from other food. What repels a climber could kill a bird. Vomit also damages plumage, causing hypothermia or drowning. Birds that use projectile vomiting may seem bizarre, but humans are weirder. We evolved to have no natural defenses at all. Our safety net is our technology, and a brain that quickly learns from mistakes.